Have you ever looked at a healthy fruit tree and wondered, why is it covered in leaves, but almost no fruit? The truth is, many fruit trees don't fail because they're unhealthy. They fail because they receive the wrong signals. Today, you'll discover three fascinating techniques that experienced gardeners have used for generations, combined with modern plant science, to encourage stronger flowering and heavier harvests. Some of these methods may surprise you, but understanding why they work is even more interesting. Before trying any trick, it's important to understand what makes a tree produce fruit. Trees constantly balance two priorities: growing or reproducing. If conditions seem perfect, many trees invest most of their energy into producing new branches and leaves. But when environmental conditions slightly change, the tree may shift its energy toward flowering. This survival response has been observed in many fruit species. The key is applying only gentle, controlled stress, never severe damage. The first method doesn't involve cutting anything. Instead, remove overcrowded branches. When sunlight reaches more of the canopy, the tree produces stronger flower buds. Better airflow also reduces fungal diseases and improves overall health. Professional orchards regularly prune trees, not because they want smaller trees, but because they want bigger harvests. Always remove dead, crossing, or weak branches first. Here's something many beginners don't know. The angle of a branch changes how it grows. Branches pointing almost straight upward usually focus on growing longer, but branches growing closer to horizontal often produce more flower buds. Many orchard growers gently guide young branches into wider angles using soft ropes or plant ties. The adjustment is gradual, never force a branch suddenly. Over time, this simple change can encourage better fruit production while creating a stronger tree structure. More water doesn't always mean more fruit. During certain growth stages, slightly reducing irrigation, only when appropriate for the species and climate, can encourage flowering instead of excessive leafy growth. This technique requires experience. Trees should never be allowed to wilt severely. The goal is balance, not drought. Healthy roots, healthy soil, and proper timing always matter more than shortcuts. More water doesn't always mean more fruit. During certain growth stages, slightly reducing irrigation, only when appropriate for the species and climate, can encourage flowering instead of excessive leafy growth. This technique requires experience. Trees should never be allowed to wilt severely. The goal is balance, not drought. Healthy roots, healthy soil, and proper timing always matter more than shortcuts. Narration. Even the best techniques won't work if the soil lacks nutrients. Fruit trees need balanced nutrition. Too much nitrogen often creates beautiful green leaves, but very little fruit. Adding compost, organic matter, and the correct fertilizer at the right season makes a huge difference. Healthy soil grows healthy trees. Fruit trees reward consistency, not shortcuts. Focus on healthy roots, balanced nutrition, proper sunlight, and smart pruning. Small improvements each season can lead to harvests that get better year after year. If you enjoy practical gardening tips backed by real horticultural principles, subscribe to the channel and join us for more videos that help you grow healthier, more productive gardens. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!